Restoring full access to your Xbox after completing security checks is essential for enjoying your gaming experience without interruptions. Follow these steps to regain access smoothly. Step 1. Sign into your Microsoft account. Visit the Microsoft account sign-in page and enter your credentials. Make sure you use the same account associated with your Xbox to ensure a seamless restoration process. Step 2. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Check security settings. Navigate to the security settings of your account. Review any recent security alerts or changes that may have been made. Ensure that your security information, such as recovery email and phone number, is up to date. Step 4. Review Xbox Live status. Visit the Xbox Live status page to check if there are any ongoing issues that might affect your account access. If there are service disruptions, you may need to wait until they are resolved. Step 5. Contact Xbox support. If you still cannot access your account after following the previous steps, reach out to Xbox support for assistance. Provide them with any relevant information about your account and the issues you are facing for a quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to restore full access to your Xbox and continue enjoying your gaming experience. If you encounter any further issues, don't hesitate to seek help from the support team.